Hey there, welcome back to the Daily House Ideas, the channel where we turn everyday homes into spaces you absolutely love coming back to. I'm so excited you're here today because we are diving into one of my favorite topics, a late spring farmhouse refresh. We're talking light, airy, natural, and just so beautifully grounded. If this is your first time here, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Trust me, you don't want to miss what we have coming. Drop a comment below and tell me, what room are you most excited to refresh this season? Your farmhouse exterior sets the entire mood before anyone even steps inside. For late spring, think crisp white or warm creamy board and batten siding, paired with a classic black front door, timeless and striking. Add window boxes overflowing with lavender, white petunias, and trailing greenery. A simple wooden porch sign with a seasonal greeting adds that personal handmade touch. Swap out heavy winter wreaths for a loose, airy wreath of eucalyptus and dried cotton stems. Clean lines, natural textures, and soft seasonal color. That's your farmhouse curb appeal formula, and it never gets old. The entryway is the unsung hero of a farmhouse home, and in late spring, it deserves serious love. Start with a shiplap-style wall panel in soft white, that signature farmhouse look. Then hang a rustic wooden peg rail for coats, hats, and woven tote bags. Add a vintage-style mirror with a distressed frame to open up the space. A slim shoe cabinet in natural oak keeps things tidy. Layer a jute or cotton runner mat on the floor, and finish with a small galvanized metal bucket holding a fresh bouquet. Practical, beautiful, and so welcoming. Your farmhouse living room is where comfort meets effortless style, and late spring is the perfect time to lighten things up. Swap heavy throws for loosely woven linen slipcovers in warm whites or soft sage. Anchor the room with a natural jute rug, layered over a lighter cotton base for texture. Style your coffee table with a wooden tray, a small mason jar of wildflowers, and a couple of weathered hardcover books. Open those curtains wide. Sheers and white linen let the spring light flood in. It's all about that relaxed, sunlit, gathered around the fireplace kind of feeling. The farmhouse dining room in late spring should feel like a Sunday brunch that never ends. Dress your reclaimed wood dining table with a simple linen table runner in natural oatmeal tones. Layer mismatched vintage white plates. That collected over time aesthetic is very on-brand for farmhouse style. Add a centerpiece of a wooden dough bowl filled with greenery, lemons, and white florals for a fresh and organic look. Hang a statement wrought iron chandelier above the table for that anchoring farmhouse drama. Rattan placemats and linen napkins tied with a sprig of rosemary. Simple, intentional, and absolutely gorgeous. Nothing says farmhouse like a kitchen that's hardworking and beautiful all at once. For late spring, keep your upper cabinets in crisp white shaker style and let your lower cabinets ground the space in a warm sage green, a gorgeous trending combination. Style your open shelves with stoneware, mason jars of dried herbs, and a small trailing pothose. Your refrigerator should blend in, paneled or in matte finish works beautifully. On the counter, style a compact French press or a small ceramic coffee machine on a wooden tray beside a tiny potted herb garden. Functional, charming, and utterly farmhouse. Let's zoom into those beautiful kitchen details that take your farmhouse cooking space from basic to breathtaking. Around your stove, add a simple white subway tile backsplash, classic and timeless. Hang a copper or matte black pot rack overhead for that lived-in, professional farmhouse look. Choose brushed brass or aged bronze hardware on your cabinets. Small changes, enormous impact. A wooden cutting board leaning casually against the backsplash, a ceramic crock holding wooden spoons, and a small window herb garden above the sink. These are the quiet details that make your kitchen feel curated, personal, and genuinely alive. Your farmhouse family room should work hard and feel incredibly cozy. Mount your flat-screen TV on a shiplap accent wall painted in warm white or soft grayish. It grounds the television beautifully without it feeling out of place. Float a reclaimed wood media console below it for that organic, earthy contrast. Style the console with a woven basket for remotes, a small ceramic vase, and a low trailing plant. Layer your seating with linen sofas, oversized knit cushions, and a chunky throw. This room is designed for movie nights, lazy Sundays, and everything in between. Farmhouse living at its most real. Every modern farmhouse home needs that one magical corner that does double duty beautifully. Tuck a small, characterful wooden writing desk near a window. Look for something with turned legs or a vintage chippy paint finish for that authentic farmhouse feel. Add a petite brass desk lamp and a unique small tabletop clock or a vintage-style desk watch as a charming, unexpected detail. Nearby, position a small vintage radio in cream or sage for soft background music while you work. Transition into the reading nook with a linen armchair, a slim wooden bookshelf, and a soft floor lamp. Your perfect retreat. The reading nook in a farmhouse home is truly sacred. Think of it as a small world of its own, surrounded by what you love. Mount floating wooden shelves and style them with a curated mix of books, small ceramic figurines, dried botanicals, and a trailing ivy plant. Add a linen-upholstered armchair in a creamy neutral and drape a lightweight cotton throw across the arm. A vintage-style floor lamp with a warm Edison bulb casts the most beautiful glow for reading. A small side table in natural wood holds your tea, your journal, and your quiet moments. Pure, restorative bliss. Your farmhouse bedroom in late spring should feel like waking up inside a cloud of calm. Start with an upholstered linen headboard in warm white or pale blush, soft and romantic without trying too hard. Layer your bed with a lightweight cotton quilt, linen duvet cover, and plenty of textured pillows in whites, creams, and soft sage. Weathered wood nightstands add that organic, grounded feel. On the windowsill, place a small vase of garden-picked flowers. Even a single stem feels intentional here. Keep the palette quiet and the textures rich. This room is your daily retreat, and it deserves that kind of tenderness. Let's style those finishing touches that elevate your farmhouse bedroom from pretty to extraordinary. A vintage-inspired dresser in white or natural wood with linen pole hardware adds both storage and soul. Above it, hang an arched mirror with a raw wood or thin metal frame, instantly elegant. Layer a small tray on top with a ceramic dish, a candle in an earthy vessel, and a tiny dried flower arrangement. Choose bedside lighting carefully. Rattan pendant lights or wall-mounted swing arm lamps in matte black are both stunning farmhouse choices. Every detail here should whisper calm, comfort, and curated simplicity. Your farmhouse bathroom deserves to feel like a boutique and you never want to leave. For the shower, use white subway tile floor to ceiling and add a simple matte black rain shower head. Minimal, clean, and deeply satisfying. Choose a vanity in aged white or warm walnut with an apron-style basin sink, the farmhouse signature. Mount an oval or arched mirror above with a simple wood or metal frame. Layer an open wooden shelving for rolled towels, glass apothecary jars filled with cotton rounds and bath salts, and a small potted fern. Fresh, serene, and beautifully natural. The real magic of a farmhouse bathroom lives in the smallest details. Choose waffle weave or linen towels in warm whites and soft terracotta. They photograph beautifully and feel luxurious. Hang them on an antique-style brass or black iron towel ladder for that editorial farmhouse look. At the vanity, style a small wooden tray with a hand soap dispenser in ceramic, a sprig of eucalyptus tied with twine, and a beeswax candle. Add a small woven basket beneath the sink for spare toiletries. A simple cotton bath mat in natural oatmeal tones grounds the floor softly. These layers of texture make all the difference. Your farmhouse garage doesn't have to be an afterthought. In fact, it can be one of the most character-filled spaces in your home. Paint the interior walls in a clean white or soft gray and add pegboards in natural wood finish for an organized, intentional look. Store garden tools in galvanized metal bins labeled with chalk tags, functional and charming. Install simple black metal shelving for seasonal storage. If you have a window, hang a small wreath and let the natural light in. A worn wooden workbench with a mason jar of fresh-cut flowers on the corner. That's farmhouse spirit right there. The farmhouse patio is where late spring truly comes alive, and it should feel like a natural extension of your indoor spaces. Start with a large outdoor dining table in weathered teak or reclaimed wood, sturdy, beautiful, and built for long evenings outside. Add metal or rattan chairs with linen cushions in soft whites and greens. String warm Edison globe lights overhead for that magical twilight ambience. Style the center of the table with a lantern, a terracotta pot of herbs, and a simple linen runner. Add a wooden porch swing to one corner and potted lavender along the edges. Breathtaking simplicity. Before we wrap up, let's recap the essential design principles that tie this whole late spring farmhouse refresh together. First, always layer your textures. Linen, jute, wood, and cotton are your best friends. Second, keep your color palette grounded in warm whites, soft sage, creamy neutrals, and earthy terracotta accents. Third, embrace imperfection. Distressed finishes, mismatched vintage finds, and handmade pieces are what give farmhouse style its irreplaceable soul. Fourth, bring the outdoors in at every opportunity. Botanicals, branches, stones, and fresh flowers belong in every single room. And finally, edit ruthlessly. Farmhouse style is curated, never cluttered. Here's the exciting truth. A late spring farmhouse refresh does not require a renovation budget. Start small and intentional. Swap your throw pillows and blankets. This alone transforms a room. Visit thrift stores and estate sales for vintage mirrors, wooden trays, and ceramic pieces with personality. Shop your own home by moving objects between rooms with fresh eyes. DIY a peg rail with simple wooden dowels and wall-mounted hooks, under $20 and absolutely stunning. Plant seeds or buy inexpensive herbs at your local market for countertop gardens. It's all about intention, creativity, and that unmistakable farmhouse spirit that turns simplicity into something truly special. Farmhouse design endures because it speaks to something deeply human, the longing for warmth, authenticity, and a slower, more intentional way of living. Rooted in American rural architecture and influenced by Scandinavian simplicity and French country elegance, modern farmhouse style is really a philosophy as much as an aesthetic. It celebrates natural materials, handcrafted objects, and the beauty of things that age gracefully. It says, your home doesn't need to be perfect to be beautiful. In late spring especially, this design language resonates so powerfully. The light is returning, things are growing, and everything feels fresh with possibility. And just like that, we've walked through every beautiful corner of your late spring farmhouse home, from the sun-kissed facade to the dreamy patio, and everything wonderfully in between. I hope this has sparked something in you, a desire to rearrange, refresh, and reimagine your own space with warmth and intention. Remember, you don't need a big budget or a perfect home. You just need a little creativity and a whole lot of heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, drop a comment with your favorite room from today's refresh, and most importantly, subscribe to the Daily House Ideas for your weekly dose of design inspiration. See you in the next one.